everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Valentine's Day taco. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Valentine's taco, let's begin by drawing the bottom of the taco. So I'm going to start right here, and I'll just begin by making a line that's just going to come up here at a diagonal. Next, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come up with a curve, and then we're just going to come down here and then connect it. Now, starting right here, let's make some little bumps on this end, and then we'll do just a couple little bumps on this end for some taco meat. Next, I like to make some little rectangle shapes right around here for a little bit of cheese. And then I like to make some bumpy lines around here for some lettuce. We'll just kind of fill in this area with some bumpy lines. Next, I'll add some little squares in here for some tomatoes. So let's put some little squares right around here too. Now, starting over here, we're going to make the other taco. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm just going to begin by making a diagonal line that's going to come up. Then I'm just going to curve this line right to here. I'm going to make a couple little bumps for some taco meat. Then I'll put some little rectangle shapes right around here for some cheese. I'll make a little wavy line on here for the lettuce. And then we can put some little squares on here for some tomatoes. Now let's go ahead and add some little faces on here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'll begin by making a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'll make another circle for an eye right here. I'm going to put a little line underneath each eye. And then I will make a big circle inside each eye with a smaller one underneath it. And we'll color in this area right around here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up. Then we'll come down and up. We'll add a little sad face for the tongue. And then we'll go ahead and color in the mouth. Next, I'm going to add a couple little eyelashes right here. Now, let's make the other face over here. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye right here. I'm going to leave some space, and I'll make another circle for an eye over here. I'm going to add a big circle in the corner of each one with a smaller circle underneath it. Then we'll go ahead and color in right inside of each circle. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line across, and then I'll come down and up. We'll make a tongue, and then we'll go ahead and color this in.
Then, right above here, let's make a little heart. So I'm going to start here, and we'll draw a line that's going to curve up and down, like a hook. And then I'll make another one that's just going to come up and down here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon taco heart. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.